What's up guys, my name is Kia and this is my channel. On today's video, I'll be giving you guys my pros and cons of the 11-piece Members Mark ceramic cookware set. If that's something that you're interested in, you'll want to hang around. In this video, you can expect me to list some pros, some cons, and what to expect now that I've had the pieces for about 6 or 7 months now. So starting off, I did purchase the Member Marks 11-piece ceramic cookware set. I purchased it in the color cream. I'll make sure to have the video linked up here of my original unboxing of this ceramic set. So I'm going to start this video off starting with some pros that I absolutely love about this product, and then I'll also end it with letting you know some cons or some things that I think that they could do better with. So just to give you some insight regarding this product is ceramic non-stick interiors. It's free of PTFE, PFOA, and PFOS. It has stainless steel handles which stay cool while cooking. I can definitely attest to that. It comes with the cast aluminum lids, lock in moisture and flavor. It's suitable for all cooking types, including induction, and it's oven safe up to 450. So that is just some of the product details listed on the website. But now that I am 6 or 7 months in since I purchased this set, I want to give you guys my honest review. And I can absolutely say that I love this set. I think you should 100% go and get it. I think at the price point, it's a good set to have, a good starter set to have. We use these sets all day, every day. I have the cream set. I can absolutely tell you that this cookware set is dishwasher safe. I am a dishwasher girl. When I get done with cooking, I rinse them off and pop them in my dishwasher. I am notorious for putting all things in the dishwasher. So all products for me must be dishwasher safe. What I love about this product is that you can also put it into the oven. If I cook something and it needs to, sit in the oven at 200 to stay warm until we're ready to eat, I'm able to do this. I don't have to transfer it to another dish, which is one of the best things about this product. What I absolutely love about this cookware set is that it is definitely non-stick. We do use silicone utensils for the most part, so I'm very conscious about not using metal on metal to scrape up the bottoms. Overall, I'm able to cook pretty much everything that we typically cook without having any problems at all with this cookware. I am able to make eggs in this pan. I'm able to make French toast in this pan. I'm able to brown my meat in this pan. Another positive is that I do love these pour spouts that come with each of the lids. What I can say is that these pans are very, even the lid is pretty heavy. Here is the Dutch, the Big Dutch, and it's pretty big, guys. But what I can say is that they're very durable. I have a 2-year-old and she is constantly picking and dropping. They're her instruments at this point. So with the 2-year-old, they're even durable through that. So I can say firsthand, I have not witnessed any staining of these products. There is minimum chipping. I put the lids and I put the pans into the dishwasher. I've had no problems. Moving over to some cons regarding this set, and there's not very many. It's, if you're asking me if I have some cons regarding the set, it's not something that at all I would suggest you not get because of these things, but these are some things that I identified. One of the things I can say is that this is the large pan. This is the large frying pan, and as you can see, either I left it on the fire for too long, but you can kind of see that maybe there may be some stains there. But you guys, I'm really hard on this set. When I say that, we do a lot of cooking on this set, but it did not at all interrupt the barrier. It's still very, very, very non-stick. It hasn't caused any issues with us cooking our food. It's just I'm not familiar with if this is something normal that is supposed to happen, or what may have caused this. But overall, the pan still functions very, very well, and I have no complaints about it. There is some browning around the back of the pan, but like I said, it doesn't at all affect my ability to cook on it, so therefore it's not a big problem to me. Another con that I have regarding this set is that every pan does not have a lid, which I sometimes hate, because lids are definitely essential for me, and I would definitely prefer a lid for each of the pans. So that does it for today's video. All in all, I would give this set a 10 out of 10, 100% recommend. I have no other gripes, or really not much more to say about the pans. I think that the pans have held up in awesome condition. Comment down below and let me know if you'll be getting this set. If you already have the set, how do you like the set? So far, so good for me. I will 100% purchase this set again at the price point of $159, I believe. I'll make sure to have the link listed below where you can purchase this set. I did see that it's still in stock on their website. I don't quite know if the color cream is still available, but I purchased these in store, so it may be something you'll be able to purchase on store. Comment down below and let me know if you have any other questions. I'll be sure to answer all the questions that you guys have in the comment section. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to the channel. Like this video if you enjoy the content.